Yo, what's up guys? I'm Money here, and I'm going to be showing you guys the top 5 ways to make money online. As you guys might already know, I'm the CEO of Tesla and Microsoft, so I'm already a billionaire, and I'm planning on getting my first trillion next year.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Just kidding, but I do have some experience in making money online, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Thank you for clicking on this video, and like I said, we're going to be talking about the top 5 ways to make money online right now. And I've seen a lot of types of these videos, and to be honest, everyone says the same generic thing. Oh, take surveys or go on your phone and do those type of survey apps, things like that. Yes, they do make you some money, like $3 in 10 days. Those types of things don't really work in my eyes. I mean, 10 days of work for like $3. The only person that really benefits is the person that's saying that. Like, so the person that would make the video because you're using their referral link and they're making bank. So the things we're going to be talking about today, I've done them, or I know people who have done them, and these people have done really well with these types of things. So these are not your generic take a survey. These are things that do make you money and can make you a lot of money, and you can actually scale some of these to actual businesses. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into this video, and I'm about to tell you guys the top 5 ways to make money online right now. But if you can, take a moment to please smash that like button. It really helps me out. I really appreciate the support. Let's get into it. So I'm going to be doing this in descending order. So from 5 to 1. The last method I talk about will be my favorite, or the best method in my opinion, where you can scale and make a lot of money. But all these ways, if you do it correctly and you actually do the research and do it, these can all make you around $100 a day. It's not a lot, but when you're young, you guys need ways of making money online. These are ways you could do it. So at number 5, I've got Fiverr. Fiverr is a website where you do freelancing for only $5, but you can obviously put stuff on there for more than $5. But the main thing, if you're just starting off, start it off with $5. Don't try to be big baller going in at 25, nothing like that, because nobody's gonna order your service. But you provide a service. So let's say you're a graphic designer, you'd go ahead and create a listing for your graphic design work, and you could do 3 different variants. So like a basic package, a gold package, and then a platinum package. And you can add different things into each of those packages, and then you can sell those. And once somebody buys that package, you then do the freelancing work for them. And it's a great website, and I've done it before. I made a little bit of money. I didn't really pursue it as hard as I should have, but I did make quite a good amount of money. And like I said, if you guys do it correctly and create enough listings where your name is popping up all the time, you can make some big bank. There's a lot of Fiverr people that end up getting real big jobs from it. So it's a great way to not only make some money, but also get your foot in the door and create, I guess, a little resume for yourself. I would say if you're like a graphic designer or freelancer, you can put some of the work you've done in a portfolio and use that to your advantage later on in life. And if you ever need some help on Fiverr, on creating your own Fiverr account, there's plenty of videos on YouTube that'll help you create it and get your first sale. So check it out. On to method number 2. So NFTs. You guys know NFTs are going crazy right now. Everybody's talking about NFTs. NFTs are everywhere. NFTs are non-fungible tokens. And basically, for me, in my opinion, the way I look at it, it's literally just digital art. And I think this is great for graphic designers and great for the graphic design community, because I love to do graphic design work. And the only reason I didn't really pursue it in college is because it doesn't make a lot of money. So NFTs are really putting those graphic designers out there, in my opinion. And there's a lot more than just graphic design that goes behind an NFT. But if you're doing just basic NFTs are just graphic designs, or like little PNGs, JPEGs, whatever, and just putting it on there, and somebody will actually buy it. And the reason people buy it is just the same thing as art. It's collectibles, that type of thing. They like to flex it. So selling NFTs and also minting NFTs, those are 2 different things. So if you sell your own NFT, you can make bank. And if you're able to mint it and then resell it later on for a crazy amount of money, I know a lot of people that have done that. I even have a couple cousins that have done that. and they made bank. They're able to mint some really big NFT projects. So this is really a time for that NFTs are blowing up, and it's a perfect time for you to like do your research, start investing in NFTs. I plan to invest in NFTs soon and put out a video for you guys on that pretty soon. But NFTs are huge right now. Gary Vee's always talking about it. Andre Jake is always talking about it. Graham Stephan, Biaheza, everybody's always talking about it. So there's money to be made in NFTs. And supporting Method 1, like I told you guys about Fiverr, you can actually find a bunch of people on Fiverr putting out listings for making your own personal NFT. So if you plan to say, oh, I want to sell an NFT, you can hop on Fiverr and purchase someone who will make you an NFT. And then you can go ahead and package that up and put it on OpenSea or any NFT website like that. So check it out, do your research, and see if you can either sell your own NFT or mint it. If you guys are planning to mint, look at a website called Rarity.tools. It'll give you all the upcoming projects, the latest projects that are popping, that type of thing. So go ahead, check that out. And you could definitely make some big bank through NFTs. Now on to method number 3, we have user testing, website testing. User testing is the platform that you do it on. And I've talked about this many times before. I love website testing. I love doing it, especially while I was in my dorm room. I would always just go ahead, if I needed 10 bucks, it only takes me 10 minutes, go ahead, hop in my dashboard real quick, see if I can get a test going and do it. And I actually want to tell you guys about one of my experiences. I'll do that in another video, but through the platform of user testing, which is the website testing platform, I was actually able to do a test through my VR headset, and that was so dope. And I ended up doing it and getting paid and everything. So guys, if you guys need any help with website testing, hit me up. I'll help you guys out. There's a lot of money to be made with website testing. People always need their websites tested. And at the moment, I made a video, a YouTube short about it. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put it up here. But I actually made a YouTube short about it, and people were telling me that you actually cannot sign up for user testing at the moment. I didn't know that. I'm sorry. I guess they're full. But when the chance comes, you guys should grab on it. I'm telling you guys can make 60 bucks in 60 minutes. So 60 bucks in an hour and 10 bucks in 10 minutes and those types of things. I'm telling you guys, it's a really good opportunity. And you don't get every test because, you know, there's certain qualifications that go into being able to get the website test. But it's a really good way to make money, and I'm telling you guys should try it out for yourself. If you guys need any information, just comment down below. I'll help you guys out. But I've done website testing for a long time, and that's how I made money in college, so that I can afford a smoothie at Smoothie King. I'm telling you guys, it's the way to go. It's super easy to do. All you need is a mic, a laptop, and you'll be good. That's really all you need. Just speak correctly. Make sure that you're speaking your mind when you're doing the website testing, and just be as helpful as possible, and you'll always get 5 stars and always get more tests coming at you. So now into method number 2. This is something I've done lightly. I've just started getting into it. It's nothing that I've done like scaled it as big as these other YouTubers have, but it's something I've done on eBay, throwing it out a couple times, and it makes you pretty good money. It's drop shipping. You guys probably already know it. Drop shipping is huge right now, and a lot of people are saying it's dead, but it's not. There's always people online looking to shop. But the way I did it, I didn't make my own shop and go through a Shopify account or nothing like that, or market it at all. I went through eBay. I just put a couple listings on eBay that I knew I can get at a low price from China or something like that, and it just could drop ship to there. And I made a couple bucks actually. I made some pretty good money, and I'm actually putting my cousin on game about drop shipping, and he's finding some success with it. There's a lot of different methods to drop shipping. There's not just one certain, oh, this is how you do it, this is how you get to the end goal, this is how you make millions. No, it doesn't work like that. Like with everything, drop shipping takes a lot of research. A lot of research needs to be done. That's why I didn't start my own shop yet. I'm still in the researching stage, but I am testing out products just to see what people might like and what people won't like, because drop shipping is all about testing. You don't know what's gonna work until it works. Want a video on how I drop ship through eBay? I can do that for you guys, and I've made pretty good money. I've made my first product that I sold, I made $45 profit off of it, and it only took honestly 2 days to sell. and that's without marketing on eBay. Dropshipping is always going to be available, and dropshipping is a good way to make money. So if you guys want a video on that, or if you guys need to do some more research, go ahead, do some more research. And if you have any questions on dropshipping on eBay, let me know down below. I'm down to help you guys out. Now, my top method for making money online right now. A lot of people aren't going to agree with me on this because it's more time consuming and it takes a long time before you start seeing some results, but it's through blogging or podcasting, or I'll add Instagram theme pages on there as well because they all kind of correlate. But the reason I'm saying blogging or podcast at number one is because I've done it myself and I've seen the results, and it makes a lot of money. And this is me not doing it for even a year. And it's sad to say that I'm trying to get back into my podcast game right now, but podcasting, you can make a lot of money, some serious money. And there's different ways you can make money through podcasting and through blogs. You can make money through affiliate marketing. You can make money with ads. There's plenty of different ways to make money, but those are the top 2 ways that you can make money with blogs and podcasts. And it's expressing yourself. You're going to be talking about or writing about something, a topic that you like or that you know very well, and when you know something very well or like it, it's way easier for you to do it. So I would say blogs or podcasting is the best way to go with that, with making money online, because it's a lot of fun. I'm telling you guys, if you guys just try it out for yourself, you'll see it's a lot of fun. I say start out with it just trying to do it for fun, then work your way into like the business side. Like I said, there's a lot of variables to it, but as long as you are dedicated to the topic you're talking about, you plan to market yourself a little bit, and you plan to add in the business sense a little bit later on, then you'll be good. Don't just advertise yourself off rip, ad like in your podcast. No, take some time out to really research what you want to talk about or write about, then go ahead and boom, take that plan and put it into action. And I'm telling you guys, blogs or podcasts is the way to go. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Logan Paul, or basically anybody on YouTube right now, have started creating podcasts. You know why? Because it's making money. I'm telling you guys right now, podcast is the way to go. But if you're not really much of a talker, you're a little bit shy. Like, I'm a little bit shy sometimes, but I just get out of it. If that's you, you can go ahead and do blogs, like I said. And blogs is just writing, and you can do that on your own. Nobody has to know anything about it. Nobody has to know who you are, who's the author, anything like that. It basically is podcasting just in writing form. So I'm telling you guys, try it out for yourself. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys have any questions on any of these methods, just comment down below. I'm down to help all of you guys out. I hope you guys found this video useful. I hope I did show you guys some new unique ways that you guys plan to use. And let me know if you guys did use them and if you did make money with it. I'd love to hear it. I hope you guys have success with any of these methods you try. Thank you guys for your support. Please smash that like button once again. It helps me out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.